The real problem here isn't that the building is falling down. The problem is that the mechanical and electrical engineering of the building is hideously out of date, and there's a real danger that we'd have some kind of catastrophic failure in the building. That could be a burst of asbestos getting into the air conditioning system, which would close the building down immediately and indefinitely, or it could be the drainage not working anymore, or for that matter a massive fire such as happened in 1834. We've got to strip out all the electrical engineering, all the water systems, the steam central heating, the gas, all the rest of it, and do as new in a building which is one of the most complicated and largest in the country. It's going to be a massive undertaking, and we believe that it's going to be much more cost effective for the public. It's going to be much safer and less risky, both financially and in terms of the building, if we do all of that in one fell swoop. This is the building that is probably best known of all the buildings in the country. Every tourist in the world wants to have a photograph of themselves in front of this building. We need to look after it.